Welcome! If you're tired of Discord automatically turning your text emoticons into emojis, especially after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you a quick and easy way to stop Discord from replacing your text with emojis when you're using Discord Web on your PC. Let's get started. First, open up Discord in your browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Once Discord loads, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your username and avatar, and right next to them is a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access your user settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Chat on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Chat to open up the chat settings. Here, you'll find a variety of options that let you customize your Discord experience. The setting we want is called Automatically Convert Emoticons in your messages to emojis. By default, this option is usually turned on, which means whenever you type something like a colon and a parenthesis, Discord will automatically turn it into a smiley face emoji. If you prefer to keep your text as it is, simply toggle this option off. That's it. With this setting disabled, Discord will no longer swap your classic text emoticons for emojis. You can now type your favorite emoticons, and they'll stay exactly as you wrote them. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you like using old-school text emoticons, or you want to keep your messages looking exactly the way you type them. If you ever want to turn this feature back on, just follow these same steps and toggle the setting back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tech tutorials. See you next time.